Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra rumors are beginning to surface, even though the Galaxy S23 Ultra is still a newcomer to the best phones list. But phone makers are always looking ahead to their next device, and that means work on next year's model is already well underway. As a result, expect a steady stream of Galaxy S24 Ultra leaks over the next several months, with the pace picking up the closer we get to the phone's expected launch in early 2024. Even though that's still a ways off, there's enough information out there to give us a broad outline of what Samsung may be planning for its next flagship phone. Based on preliminary leaks regarding the Galaxy S24 and rumors that are focused on the Ultra model, there is some information available about what we might expect from Samsung's high-end device. The Galaxy S23 series was released in February, and even the mid-range Galaxy S54 has already made its debut. Samsung's next focus is expected to be on launching new iterations of its foldable smartphones in the latter half of the year. It is anticipated that the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 will be released well before the Galaxy S24 Ultra hits the market. Samsung typically launches its Galaxy S series smartphones in the first quarter of the year, with February being the preferred month for unveiling its latest flagship devices. Therefore, it is likely that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be introduced alongside the rest of the S24 lineup in February 2024. However, this is simply an informed estimate, and more reliable rumors regarding the launch date are expected to emerge in the upcoming months. Given Samsung's recent trend of incorporating the Ultra's design into the Galaxy S23 lineup and even the lower-cost Galaxy S series, it is unlikely that there will be a significant design overhaul for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung appears to be fond of the vertical camera module layout, which features a column of camera lenses descending down the back of its devices, and is expected to maintain this design approach for the Galaxy S24 Ultra as well. While some concept designs may suggest a more radical departure from this design language, Samsung is likely to stick with what has proven to be popular with consumers. Likewise, the last few Ultra models have featured a 6.8-inch panel, one of the largest screens you can get on a phone that doesn't fold. We'd expect Samsung to stick with that 6.8-inch display for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The biggest display change could be to its refresh rate. Since the Galaxy S20 Ultra, that giant display has been capable of a 120Hz refresh rate. More recent models have been able to scale down to 1 Hz when the activity on screen is more static. The Galaxy S24 Ultra could mix that up by increasing its maximum refresh rate to 144 Hz. That claim comes from the Samlover Rumors site in a post containing several supposed details about next year's top Samsung phone. There are other devices out there with a 144 Hz displays, though most of them are gaming phones. Given that Samsung likes to tout the gaming capabilities of its Ultra model, the fast processor, the big display, the internal cooling system designed to cut down on performance lags, it's not that big a stretch to imagine the S24 Ultra adopting this particular feature. Samsung's big camera change to the Ultra model happened this past year when the Galaxy S22 Ultra's 108MP main sensor made way for a 200MP shooter. We wouldn't expect another big leap forward, though Samlover does claim that Samsung will make some improvements to the sensor. This could mean anything from a wider aperture to let in more light to improvements in color reproduction. The site later claimed that the sensor size would be increased to 1 inch, which would be the same as the Xiaomi 13 Ultra and larger than the one rumored for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. According to a leak from the tipster at tech_rev, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to be equipped with a new 310x variable folded telephoto lens using a periscope design. This lens would replace the dedicated 3x and 10x lenses found on the Galaxy S23 Ultra and would allow the S24 Ultra to adjust focal length while connecting to a single sensor. While Ultra models boast more than their fair share of premium capabilities, $1,199 remains a steep price for a smartphone. Samsung would do well to remember that even the best phones can't cost so much that they're out of reach for most shoppers. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in next one.